1. What is the capital of Canada? A. Toronto. B. Ottawa. C. Vancouver. D. Montreal. The correct answer is B. Ottawa. 2. In which state is the Sun Temple of Konark located? A. Odisha. B. Gujarat. C. Bihar. D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is A. Odisha. 3. Which Indian sportsperson is known as Ding Express? A. P.T. Usha. B. Hima Das. C. Mary Kom. D. Saina Nehwal. The correct answer is B. Hima Das. 4. Who is the first president of independent India? A. Rajendra Prasad. B. Nehru. C. Patel. D. Kalam. The correct answer is A. Rajendra Prasad. 5. What is the name of India's first satellite? A. Aryabhata. B. Insat 1A. C. Bhaskara. D. Rohini. The correct answer is A. Aryabhata. 6. Who discovered penicillin? A. Alexander Fleming. B. Edward Jenner. C. Louis Pasteur. D. Joseph Lister. The correct answer is A. Alexander Fleming. 7. What does a seismograph measure? A. Light. B. Temperature. C. Earthquakes. D. Humidity. The correct answer is C. Earthquakes. 8. What is the unit of electric current? A. Ohm. B. Volt. C. Ampere. D. Watt. The correct answer is C. Ampere. 9. Who is called the Missile Man of India? A. Vikram Sai. B. Homi Bhabha. C. APJ Abdul Kalam. D. Radhakrishnan. The correct answer is C. APJ Abdul Kalam. 10. Who is known as the father of Green Revolution in India? A. M.S. Swaminathan. B. Verghese Kurian. C. C.V. Raman. D. Vikram Savi. The correct answer is A. M.S. Swaminathan. 11. In which Indian state is Kaziranga National Park? A. Assam. B. West Bengal. C. Kerala. D. Gujarat. The correct answer is A. Assam. 12. How many players are there in a cricket team? A. 9. B. 10. C. 11. D. 12. The correct answer is C. 11. 13. Who discovered America? A. Vasco da Gama. B. Columbus. C. Magellan. D. Cook. The correct answer is B. Columbus. 14. What is the name of India's national river? A. Brahmaputra. B. Yamuna. C. Ganga. D. Godavari. The correct answer is C. Ganga. 15. Where is Meenakshi Temple located? A. Madurai. B. Tanjavur. C. Chennai. D. Kanchipuram. The correct answer is A. Madurai. 16. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? A. Spanish. B. Portuguese. C. French. D. English. The correct answer is B. Portuguese. 17. Who wrote the epic Ramayana? A. Vedavyasa. B. Kalidasa. C. Tulsidas. D. Valmiki. The correct answer is D. Valmiki. 18. What is HCl in chemistry? A. Hydrochloric acid. B. Citric acid. C. Sulfuric acid. D. Acetic acid. The correct answer is A. Hydrochloric acid. 19. Which Indian state is known as the land of spices? A. Kerala. B. Karnataka. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is A. Kerala. 20. Who was the first woman IPS officer of India? A. Kiran Bedi. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Kalpana Chawla. D. Aruna Asaf Ali. The correct answer is A. Kiran Bedi.